Hello, this is Travis for Sliver Surfer 1, and today I'm going to show you how to get better 3D print adhesion to your print bed. Okay, I'm using the Anet A9. I bought it at GearBest. I love this thing, it's awesome. It's my first 3D printer ever. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to get good print adhesion. So what I'm going to do is I will start a print. We're going to go up here. I'm going to go to SD because I do all my prints from SD. And I'm going to go unmount card just to make sure and then remount it. Then I'll go to print file and go to file that I want to print. Okay, some pegboard files. Alright, so I'll start the print. And you can see the temperature of the extruder is going up and the temperature of the bed's going up. When the bed goes up to about 40 degrees, that's usually when I like to spray it with some cheap hairspray. Okay? So I'll put this down here. Okay. So another thing that you might want to have, you don't have to get one of these. It checks your temperature. So I'm going to point it at the bed, and then it's at 33.6. 39.9. So I'm going to now take my spray, and I'm going to take a piece of paper and cover up the axis guides because I don't want to get hairspray on them and I don't want it on the belts. And I'm going to spray the front as well. And there, you just spray it and then you're set to go. Another thing you can do, if you want, you can speed up the heating process with a heat gun, which I do sometimes. You will run it over it evenly. Don't stay in one spot so too long. But we get 58. Alright, here we go. And another thing you want to make sure is make sure you have a good brim on your prints. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you've subscribed, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I enjoy bringing you these videos, but without 1,000 subscribers, I don't get any monetization for any of these. These are all just, I'm doing them because I like doing them. And it would be nice if, you know, YouTube would return the favor, but, you know, what can you say? Alright, thanks for watching, please subscribe.